Hi there, I'm Amanda. Welcome back to my channel. Here is 5 minutes Cantonese. 大家好，我係 Amanda，歡迎收睇5分鐘廣東話。After this lesson, you'll be able to say maybe and maybe not. Let's get started. Maybe is a very useful and annoying phrase. It's somewhere between yes and no. In Cantonese, how to say? 或者 or 可能 both of them means maybe, but the second one means it's possible. So 可能 also means it's possible. In Cantonese, it means maybe. So let's make some simple sentences. For example, I can't tell her nationality. Maybe she's Japanese. How to say in Cantonese? Maybe 或者 or 可能 she is Japanese. 佢係 Japanese 日本人或者佢係日本人 or 可能佢係日本人 Another example, maybe he likes mango. So, very easy. How to say? Maybe 或者 or 可能 he likes mango. Remember the action word. 佢鍾意 the action word is to eat. 食 mango 芒果或者佢鍾意食芒果 or 可能佢鍾意食芒果 Remember, we have learned some opposite adjectives before. Today, let's learn a new one. Old and young. Old 老 Young 後生 For example, I can't tell her age. Maybe she's older than me. Here, pay attention. In Cantonese, it's pretty rude to use the word 老 directly to describe a person. So normally, we'll use another word. Remember how to say big and small. Right. 大 and small. 細 So, maybe she's older than me. 可能 or 或者 she is older than me. 佢 So here, pay attention. We use the word big. 大 and then that. 過 Remember, we learned it in this lesson. Okay? Me 我可能佢大過我 or 或者佢大過我 How about the opposite? Maybe she's younger than me. So here you can use both 後生 or 細 because normally people won't feel offended to use the word young. Okay? Again, maybe 可能 or 或者 she's younger than me. 可能佢細過我 or 或者佢 Let's try another. 後生過我或者佢後生過我 In English, it's very common to say maybe, maybe not. For example, are you going to see a movie? How to say in Cantonese? You 你 verb to go 去 and then 去 and then to see a movie 睇戲 Let's add an ending word 你去唔去睇戲啊 So if I'm not sure, you want to say maybe, maybe not. How to say in Cantonese? If you only say maybe, you can simply use the word 可能 or 或者 but let's make it smoother. We add an ending. For example, 啦可能啦 or 或者啦 However, if you want to say maybe, maybe not, here you need to add a verb. So here the verb is to go. So maybe 可能去or 或者去 how about maybe not? Right. 或者唔去 or 可能唔去 So, let's try one more example. Will you buy mooncake this year? This year. 今年 you 你 and then will not 會唔會 to buy mooncake 買月餅啊今年你會唔會買月餅啊今年你會唔會買月餅啊 Maybe, maybe not. How to say in Cantonese? Right, here you can say 可能會 or 或者會 How about the negative expression? It's easy. 可能 and then negative 唔會可能唔會 or you can say 或者唔會 Remember, 可能 also mean it's possible. So how about the opposite expression? It's impossible. So here we'll use the verb to have, of course, negative expression. 冇 and then possible. 可能 So 冇 plus 可能 means impossible. 冇可能 So if I say 我 and then 冇可能 impossible 買 and then mooncake 月餅我冇可能買月餅 What does it mean? For example, I really hate mooncake. It's impossible for me to buy mooncake. 我冇可能買月餅 which is really different from 我可能唔買月餅 So pay attention to this. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this lesson today. If you want to learn Cantonese with me, please subscribe. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want the worksheet and the supplementary audio exercise, please visit my Patreon page. See you next time. Bye bye. 下次見。